In today's rapidly evolving world of technology and innovation, it's crucial for professionals across various industries to stay updated with the latest tools and equipment. These tools can greatly enhance productivity, efficiency, and overall performance. In this video, we will explore 7 cool tools that you should know about. So, let's dive in and discover these amazing tools. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The Bosch Universal Detect is a state-of-the-art tool that every professional should have in their arsenal. This is not your average wall scanner. It's a powerhouse of features designed to make your wall-related tasks easier and more precise. Bosch Universal Detect boasts a 2.4-inch color touchscreen, offering an intuitive and user-friendly interface. But that's just the beginning. It comes with an integrated user guide featuring animations and step-by-step instructions. One standout feature is its auto-calibration capability. This ensures that the tool is always ready for accurate measurements, eliminating any guesswork and providing you with reliable results every time you use it. It automatically checks whether the tool is flush with the wall, ensuring that your measurements are precise. It provides a practical marking aid, making it simpler to identify the exact location for drilling or other tasks. It can detect objects with a depth down to 5 centimeters. The Bosch Universal Detect can also detect metal at a depth down to 10 centimeters. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool for various applications, from simple DIY projects to more complex construction tasks. The Inel Brilliant is a powerful and versatile tool that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. The Inel Brilliant cordless window cleaner comes as a comprehensive package, equipped with everything you need for crystal clear windows. The set includes a spray bottle, a microfiber pad, and a convenient wall bracket for easy storage. With a generous 300 milliliter capacity, the spray bottle allows you to fill enough window cleaning agent for efficient and thorough cleaning. The microfiber cloth is directly attached to the spray bottle, ensuring that it efficiently absorbs dust and dirt during the cleaning process. What's even more impressive is the wireless operation of the Brillianto. One of the standout features of the Brillianto is its versatility. Regardless of the suction direction, whether from above, below, left, or right, the window cleaner ensures streak-free results every time. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for various surfaces, including windows, glass tables, tiles, mirrors, and more. If you work in the landscaping or construction industry, you'll appreciate the power and efficiency of the Airspade 5000. This innovative tool uses compressed air to excavate soil and uncover underground utilities without causing any damage. Whether you're digging trenches, planting trees, or installing irrigation systems, the Airspade will save you time, effort, and money. The Airspade utility is a powerhouse that utilizes compressed air with its high-performance proprietary Airspade supersonic nozzle. The Airspade utility goes above and beyond with a sliding dirt guard, adding an extra layer of protection and convenience during operation. Safety remains a top priority with the non-conductive barrel of the Airspade 5000. For ergonomic excellence, the Airspade boasts an intelligently designed handle. To tackle challenging angles and reach difficult spots, the Airspade is equipped with a 40-degree angled adapter. With its durability and reliability, the Airspade 5000 will withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a long-term investment for any professional. When it comes to rescue operations and emergency situations, the Holmatro Combi tools are a game-changer. These hydraulic tools are specifically designed to cut, spread, and lift heavy objects, making them essential for firefighters, rescue teams, and other first responders. The Holmatro Combi tools offer unmatched power and precision, enabling rapid and effective extrication of trapped individuals in critical situations. The Holmatro Combi tools are engineered to withstand extreme conditions, ensuring reliable performance when it matters most. Their lightweight design and ergonomic features make them easy to handle, even in high-pressure situations. These tools are equipped with advanced safety features to protect both the user and the victims during rescue operations. With the Holmatro Combi tools, first responders can carry out their duties with confidence and efficiency, potentially saving lives in the process. The WALCOM Air Blower Pro is a must-have tool for professionals in the automotive painting industry. This innovative device is specifically designed to remove dust, debris, and contaminants from surfaces before painting. By using a high-velocity jet of air, the WALCOM Air Blower Pro ensures a clean and smooth surface, resulting in flawless paint finishes. Whether you're a professional painter or a DIY enthusiast, this tool will significantly improve the quality of your paint jobs. The WALCOM Air Blower Pro features a compact and lightweight design, allowing for easy maneuverability and storage. Its adjustable airflow settings provide versatility, catering to different painting requirements. The tool's durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance even in demanding environments. With the WALCOM Air Blower Pro, you can achieve professional-grade results without the need for expensive equipment or time-consuming manual cleaning. For professionals in the plumbing and pipe-fitting industry, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader is a game-changer. This state-of-the-art tool offers a compact and portable solution for threading pipes, eliminating the need for manual labor and reducing installation time. With its powerful motor and advanced threading technology, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader delivers precise and consistent results, ensuring leak-proof connections every time. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader features a user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, making it easy to operate for both seasoned professionals and beginners. Its lightweight design and ergonomic features provide comfort and ease of use, even during extended work hours. The tool's durability and reliability make it a long-term investment for any professional in the industry. With the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader, you can complete pipe threading tasks efficiently and accurately, saving both time and effort. The Leister Vacuum Plate 300 is a versatile and efficient tool that is essential for professionals in the roofing and flooring industries. This innovative device is designed to remove air and moisture from adhesive layers, ensuring optimal adhesion and preventing issues such as bubbling or delamination. This design allows it to easily adapt to the ground, ensuring that the testing process is thorough and reliable. The tool's flexibility is a key asset, providing optimal contact with various surfaces for precise leak detection. With its powerful suction and adjustable settings, the Leister Vacuum Plate 300 guarantees a flawless and durable finish for your roofing or flooring projects. The Leister Vacuum Plate 300's ergonomic design and lightweight construction make it easy to handle and maneuver. The tool's durability and reliability make it a valuable asset that will withstand the demands of daily use. With the Leister Vacuum Plate 300, you can achieve professional results, ensuring the longevity and performance of your roofing or flooring installations. There you have it, guys. These 7 cool tools that should definitely be on your radar. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, these tools are sure to impress. Let us know in the comments which tool caught your eye. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.